Mother's Day is right around the corner, and many of us have some very fond memories of our mothers in the garden or working beside them, perhaps pulling weeds, maybe pulling blackberries with your grandmother. The whole point of this is to say that there's probably a plant that all of us can identify that actually reminds us of our mothers or of our grandmothers. And as we approach Mother's Day, I would encourage you, this beautiful weather is so nice. We still got cool temperatures. We're in early spring. Get out there and plant something that reminds you of your mother. Now, I've asked several people around what their mother and grandmother's favorite plants are. They've said everything from rosemary to tulips to gardenias to magnolias, all sorts of beautiful plants to choose from. Who doesn't think about their mother when they think about roses? Maybe it's edible fruits in the garden. Maybe she loved to have a vegetable garden. Honor your mother and grandmother by planting something in your landscape that reminds you of them this year. Or better yet, how about go to your mom's and plant her favorite plant? Or maybe go pull weeds with her for the afternoon. It'll be a great way to honor her and remember our mothers on Mother's Day. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.